Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Zealous Tutorials. So today we're doing a song titled Champion by Dante Bow and Bethel Music. So it's quite a lot of versions of the song online, but the one I'll be doing is from the Revival is in the Air album by Bethel Music. Okay, so this song is in the key of A sharp. Okay, so I'm gonna go through all the chords that I'll be using in this video, just to make it easier for you. So the first chord is the A sharp major. This is in root position. You might see me playing it in second inversion. Another chord you'll see quite a lot is A sharp with the F. So it's a slash chord. So I'm playing a F in my left hand, A sharp in my right hand, and a D sharp major, G minor, F major, and then A sharp with the D in my left hand, and F over A. And yeah, I think that's about it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the intro. So if you listen closely at the intro from this album, it's very hard to make out exactly what the notes are because they're playing this very airy pad-like sound, so that the notes aren't as distinct, but nonetheless I tried my best to transcribe what they're playing, and this is what I could hear. Okay, so that is the intro. I'm going to play it slow so you can follow along. Okay, so we start with the A sharp. Right, so if you don't want to play that, you can just play the chords, which go like this. So A sharp to G minor, A sharp over F to D sharp major. Right, so that is the intro. Now the verse shares the same chords as the intro. So we start off with the A sharp, followed by G minor, A over F sharp, right. So this chord progression is perfect for voice leading. So we don't have to necessarily jump up and down from chord to chord, but instead you'll see my right hand playing A sharp almost throughout the whole progression, because each chord leads to the next. So for example, we start off with the A sharp chord, and when I play the G minor chord, I'm still playing A sharp on my right hand, So this makes it a G minor 7. And then when I go to A sharp over F, still playing A sharp on my right hand. And when we get to D sharp, we can keep this chord and just add a G. So essentially we keep this A sharp going throughout the whole progression. And it kind of sounds very nice for voice leading. Right, so now when we start the chorus, it starts with the A sharp. So now this is where I change the inversion. I go to second inversion of A sharp. And then there's a passing chord, which is F. So what I've done is I've put the passing chords in brackets, so you know exactly where they are. So I start with A sharp, go to F, passing chord, to G minor, to A sharp over D, D sharp, to G minor, F. We'll repeat that line, and we end with D sharp. Right, that's pretty straightforward. So now we go into the bridge. So the bridge is a progressive progression. So we're starting on the 5th of the key we're in, which is D sharp. We go to F, to G minor, to A sharp, back to F sharp, and then D into D sharp. So basically we are walking up the scale, starting from the 4th. So it starts, I'm gonna play it through, and then I'll come back and explain each chord. All right, so that is the bridge. We can actually play it a bit higher. Instead of moving it down here, we can play it a bit up. So as I said, we are walking up the scale. So we start off with the D sharp to F, G minor, and F over A, to A sharp, back to F. And then the passing chord here is A sharp over D to D sharp. Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much the entire song. Thank you for watching, and as usual, if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new content. See you next time, guys.